This is Nexo Knights. And this is Clay with his legendary sword. And this is me. And I'm going to show you how to make Clay's sword from Nexo Knights. Step 1. Design the sword out. This step I would usually design the sword out, but lucky for us, someone already did. So head over to Thingiverse, link down in the description, and download all of the print files for Clay's sword. Step 2. 3D print all the pieces. Now that all the pieces are printed out, separate all the pieces you need to move on to Step 3. Glue your pieces together. I first tried UV resin as my glue, but when that didn't work out too well, I switched to 5-minute epoxy, which worked great. After all the pieces are glued together, test fit them to make sure that they will fit together. And then grab some filler, fill all the joints, while gluing the rest of the pieces together. I added a metal dowel in between the handle and the hilt of mine. You don't have to, but I did because I knew my kids would swing it around a lot. The next part, it's already looking so good. Now all the pieces are ready for Step 4. Grab some filler primer and spray paint it like you're a DJ dropping your latest mix. Now that they're primed and dry, the next thing to do is to sand, and sand, and sand, and sand. With all the pieces primed, separate all the pieces we need to look like metal, and you know what to do. Now that our sword pieces look like hammered metal, move on to Step 5. Mix the molds and epoxy. Get your silicone mold maker and build a frame for it. And what's the best material to make our molds with? You guessed it! Lego. 'Cause of course. Build a Lego frame around your pieces, then use something like siding tape to seal up the inside of your mold. Glue it all down and get to mixing that silicone. After it's all set, remove the Lego frame and spray some mold release inside your new mold. Mix your epoxy, add some glow powder, and then add your pigment. Be sure to have one explode everywhere. Step 6, wait. Step 7, assemble. After removing your pieces from the molds, glue all the pieces together. Step 8, go save the world. This looks so good. I love how it turned out. It is definitely the heaviest sword I've made. If you want to make a sword like this as well, I'm going to leave a list of the materials I used to make it down in the description. This is going to look great on my wall of swords. If you like this project in this video, give it a thumbs up and share this video with someone you think would like it too. If you have an idea for what weapon you think I should make next, leave a comment down below, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.